Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Khan Academy tutorial. We are doing evaluate functions. Now, you're probably thinking that I already did this video, and it's true. We already did a video on evaluate functions for Khan Academy. Khan Academy has two of the exact same label, evaluate functions, but they're a little bit different. So it's almost like a little Easter egg, a little surprise, but it's like the exact same thing. This one is just laid out in a little bit more common terms. The other one was giving it in terms of the function. For example, for this one, you say, find the output D when the input T is 11. So all we need to do is put negative 20 plus 11 times 11. This is almost the exact same thing we did in the last video. If you want to check that out, be sure to give me some views. But it's just written differently. The other one was saying, okay, if we have f of t, okay, negative 20 plus 11t, and this is how you typically see it, find f of 11 for negative 20 plus 11t. And all you're doing here is you're plugging in 11. You guys get it. It was in the last video, but all we're saying here is we say t is 11, we plug it in for t, and then we solve. So in this case, we get negative 20 plus 121, and that gives us 101. So that's what we get for D. I did it kind of fast, but I'm starting to realize that this video is exactly like the last video. All right, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to plug in 4 for r here. Okay, we're going to evaluate the function when r is 4. So we go ahead and do that. We get 25 minus 12. These exact same problems we already did, and that's 13. I'm going to see if I can make a record for shortest video. Okay, put in 7 here. We do 2 times 7 minus 3. That equals 11. And the last one, we have find the output y when the input x is 5. So we put in 5 here, exactly the same problem. 5 minus 3, we get 25 minus 3 equals, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like we just finished this problem. Great job on this Khan Academy, super short. Be sure to check out the other one. I'm going to call this one Evaluate Functions number 2 or part 2 or something, and then hopefully you can see the other one. That one's a little bit more challenging, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.